Hi guys, welcome back to Sauji's biology tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about animal tissues. We know that tissues are a group of cells. Plants are made up of tissues. Animals are made up of tissues. All the organisms are made up of tissues. Cells, group of cells form the tissues, group of tissues form the organs, group of organs form the organ system, group of organ system forms your organism. So I'll write here group of cells forms tissues, group of tissues forms organs, group of organs forms organ system. Organ systems together form organism. This organism, it can be plant or it can be animal. Today in this class we are going to discuss about animal tissues. Like plants, animals also having tissues. Animal tissues based on the functions. The animal tissues are divided into four major types. First type of tissue is epithelial tissue. Second type of tissue is muscular tissue. And third type of tissue is connective tissue. Fourth type of tissue is nervous tissue. Based on the functions performed by the tissues, animal tissues are categorized into four types: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue. Again, epithelial tissue is divided into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium. Epithelial tissue is again divided into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium. Epithelial tissue is divided into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium based on the structure of the cells. We know that tissues are group of cells. Epithelial tissue is group of cells. Based on the structure of the cells present in the epithelial tissue is divided into squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated and glandular. Right everyone? And then muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is divided into three types. Based on the structure, muscular tissue is divided into three types. Those are striated muscles, unstriated muscles, cardiac muscles. So, epithelial tissue is divided into squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, glandular. Muscular tissue is divided into striated, unstriated, cardiac. The third type of tissue, that is connective tissue. Connective tissue is also divided into many types of tissues. Let me show you. Connective tissue. Connective tissue is again divided into areolar tissue, adipose tissue, skeletal tissue, fluid connective tissue. Areolar tissue, adipose tissue, skeletal tissue, fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue is again divided into adipose tissue, areolar tissue, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Again, the areolar connective tissue is of two types. Those are tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments are areolar connective tissue. Skeletal tissue is divided into cartilage and bone. Fluid connective tissue is also divided into two types: blood and lymph. So, this is about the flow chart which shows you regarding the animal tissues, the types of animal tissues. In the next video, we will discuss about each and every tissue in detail. So please share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe my channel to watch wonderful videos related to biology. Thank you.